Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're reviewing the IDN Beauty SKINLIKE REAL 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig. This 22-inch body wave wig boasts a 180% density and promises a natural glueless fit with pre-bleached knots and an ultra-thin HD lace that's designed to blend seamlessly with your skin. Let's dive into whether this wig lives up to its claims and see how it performs in real-world use. The IDN Beauty SKINLIKE REAL 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig is a 22-inch body wave wig made from high-quality 12A virgin human hair. The main highlight is its ultra-thin 0.1mm HD lace, which is incredibly lightweight and designed to blend effortlessly with your scalp, giving the illusion of a natural hairline. This wig also features pre-bleached and pre-plucked knots, which should reduce the amount of work needed to make it look more realistic. The wig comes with a 180% density, which is on the fuller side, ensuring a voluminous, salon-quality look. It's designed with a 5x5 lace closure, making it suitable for wearers looking for a quick and easy style that doesn't require the hassle of a full lace front. The cap size is adjustable, ranging from 22 to 23 inches, making it a good fit for most head sizes. It's glueless, so you can wear it right out of the box without needing any adhesive. Now, let's talk about my experience. First off, the cap fit was excellent for my head size, and I appreciated that it was adjustable, giving me a snug yet comfortable fit. The lace is incredibly thin, much thinner than other wigs I've tried, which really does make it more undetectable and gives it a more natural appearance on the scalp. When I first put it on, I was impressed with how seamless the lace melted into my skin. It felt lightweight and breathable, perfect for long wear, and the body wave texture gave it a lovely, natural flow. In terms of performance, the wig held up well throughout the day. I wore it during various activities and found that it didn't shift or slide, thanks to its glueless design. The texture remained smooth and didn't tangle, which is something I always look for in human hair wigs. I also tested styling it, curling and straightening, and both processes went smoothly. The hair held curls well and remained soft to the touch. Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The HD lace is incredibly thin and nearly undetectable, making it look extremely natural. The 180% density creates a full, voluminous look without being overwhelming. The pre-bleached and pre-plucked knots reduce the time it takes to customize the wig, which is great for beginners. The glueless design is convenient for those who want a hassle-free wig experience. The hair is smooth, soft, and easy to style. As for the cons, the cap size may be too small for those with larger heads, although the adjustable band helps. The wig does require some maintenance to keep it looking its best, especially with regard to the lace and the pre-plucked knots. It's a bit on the pricier side, though the quality justifies it for the most part. In terms of value for money, I think this wig is reasonably priced for the quality you're getting. It's made from 12A virgin human hair, which is known for its durability and styling versatility. The addition of pre-bleached knots and the super thin lace make it stand out in terms of realism. The price is on the higher end for a wig of this type, but if you're looking for a natural, glueless option with great density and quality, it's worth considering. Comparing this wig to others in the market, the IDN Beauty wig stands out due to the high-density texture and the ultra-thin HD lace. While there are cheaper options, the quality of the lace and the fact that the wig is pre-bleached and pre-plucked puts it in a higher tier for convenience and realism. As for the build quality, the materials feel premium and the wig itself is quite durable. With proper care, the hair should last a long time without significant shedding or tangling. The lace is delicate, so you'll want to be careful when handling it, but the construction is solid. If you've ever had to deal with customer support, you know how important responsiveness is. Though I didn't need to contact the brand for this review, IDN Beauty has a reputation for strong customer service, so it's safe to say that if any issues arise, they'll likely be prompt in addressing them. Now, if you're on a budget or simply looking for a more affordable alternative, there are a few options out there that might meet your needs. However, they likely won't have the same quality lace or hair as the IDN Beauty wig. If you're looking for a similar experience at a lower price, you might find options with thicker lace or less natural hair texture, but you'll sacrifice some of the realism and comfort. To wrap up, I'd say the IDN Beauty SKINLIKE REAL 5x5 HD Lace Closure Wig is a great option for anyone looking for a natural, low-maintenance wig. The ultra-thin HD lace and pre-bleached knots make it one of the best options in terms of realism and ease of use. It's perfect for daily wear, special occasions, or if you simply want a versatile wig that's ready to go right out of the box. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description or comments for the link to purchase. If you've tried this wig, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.